The most talked-of device shown off at the MWC 2018, the Vivo Apex. The concept phone brought by the Chinese company does indeed feature a mesmerizing look with an almost real full-screen design made possible by the 1.8mm thin top and side bezels as well as the hidden camera module that pops up from inside the frame. The camera pops up automatically when you launch the camera app and get into selfie mode. Another really interesting feature is the sound conducting technology that allows the smartphone to produce sound for calls without the need of a speaker at the front. The smartphone is as gorgeous as it looks in photos or renders. Bezels around the frame are incredibly thin, but most importantly, they are also thin at the top, Xiaomi Mi Mix style. Finally, what's probably the most interesting technology on the phone, the half-screen under-display fingerprint scanner. The area in which the under-display scanner will work is now much bigger, albeit it's not actually half the size of the display. The scanner didn't work too well and they were aware of it, but they are really close to perfect it as they did on the Vivo X20 Plus UD. The only other detail we know about the phone is the large 5.99-inch display,